Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Yeah, so this is a me zx10 that I did the gearbox on. It's come up to a year now, and it's been ridden, and she's done really well. No problems with the gearbox or anything. She's done me proud, to be honest. Along that, on the zx10 that I ride as well. She's come up really well, to be fair. In that year I've been through quite a bit, and it got criminal damage, so I've had to respray the whole bike, new tank, to repair the front end on it, and had to put a new back end on it because there's a hole in it here and I wanted it to be perfect. I had to respray all the tank, and yeah, it's a bit, and I had to respray them as well. Yeah, so, and a new screen as well. I had to put a new screen on it. Some flies on it. I had to put a new screen on it, new mirrors as well because they got damaged. So, a bit other than that, so I got it back on the road. Just at the back end of last winter, and she's no trouble at all. And I love it. I'll keep it. And I was toying the idea of selling it at one point, but I just love riding it. I love the power. It's just got no electronics, like the modern bike now. It's pretty much hasn't even got ABS. It is, and it's still pretty stock, apart from the decat that I pull on. I am going to get some Brembo brakes like my Z10r, just to up the brakes aren't the best on it. They're good, but when you start pushing it a bit, you can feel it's lacking. It could do with better brakes. But other than that, she's great. Great handling machine, to be fair. And I love it. I'm just out today. I finished a little bit handy, so I thought I'd get it out and give it a little blast here in Wales. A lovely day, Friday afternoon. Yeah, so that was it really, just like a little update really, just to for my followers, if anyone's interested in hearing about it. She's still going strong and putting a smile on my face, as they say. So yeah, I love it. So what have I got coming up next? The zx10r that I just done the track on. I didn't do a video of the track and stuff like that because there's a lot of people out there that have done it, so I didn't bother doing that. So I just done like the prepping bit and uploaded that video. But the zx10r, she did well all day. Didn't let me down. She got pushed. It was dry. Managed to keep the slicks on it all day as well. It was a bit wet and damp in the morning, but I didn't not so much take a chance, but I took it easy for the first few laps, and then obviously the other bikes as well dried out the track. I know there's a nice racing line going around the track at Cadwell. I'd love to take the 10, but it's just too clean. It's too clean to take on track. I did see another one the other week going cheap that it had an on-off, and I thought, that'll be perfect for a track bike. But I'm really happy with the 9, I mean, it handles how I like it. It's underpowered compared to something like this and something like modern day now, even better again. But I don't know, I just feel comfortable on it. I feel like I can go into the bend as fast as I comfortably can. Whereas with the 10, you start pushing yourself that little bit more, and yeah, so it's been 4 years now I've been taking that bike to a track, and it's never, touch wood, I've never even come close to coming off it. So I like it that way. I got me bodybuilding, and I'm a self-employed roofing builder, so I don't really want to cock things up and break an arm or a leg. So it's not something I'd like to do. So yeah, but yeah, the zx10r, I noticed last time I serviced it the other week, I noticed the shocks. One of the shock absorber had leaked, so I ordered a kit for that. So I'll probably toying with the idea, and yeah, I will put a video up of that actually, so I'll record that. I also got a video of the zx10r. I need to edit and upload that as well, of the front shocks. And I sprayed on the zx10r, sprayed this, resprayed that in gunmetal grey. Looks lovely instead of that silver that they did with it looks nice. It kind of matches the gunmetal grey Brembo calipers that I'm calling it. Yeah, so it wasn't meant to be a long video this. Sorry guys. Look at that, look at the way it is in the sun. And yeah, you got all the little, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, little sparkles of the metallic on the frame. You don't notice these sort of things, do you, when it's inside? But when the sun catches it right, someone's having fun with a shotgun, aren't they? When the sun catches it right, you know, you can see it all on the back swing arm as well. Yeah, it's clean. I've always said this. It's been well looked after, this bike. It's just a shame about the gearboxes in it, but luckily I can fix them. So yeah, if I see another one, I actually really enjoyed it. If I see another one, for the money it costs as well and the time it took, and I was on prep as well for a show. So you know, my mind wasn't really firing all cylinders. So and I still managed to do it without any stress. As you can see on the videos, if you watch them, or if you have watched them. But yeah, I just, I can't see me selling this bike anytime soon. So, it's getting towards the end of the year now, and I'm a fair weather rider, so I'm not really into damp and cold and salt on the roads and all that palaver. So, yeah, I've got probably another 3-4 weeks left of this sort of like kind of like not bad weather. See how we get on in it. Like get a few more miles on it yet, and obviously the zx10r as well. Try and take it in turns, or try and alternate the two, because I just look at both. If I'm honest though, this is more of a short burst, whereas the zx10r, I can sit on that all day. You know what I mean? It's nice, but this is, I don't know. I like them both, so I'm just going to keep them both. Alright guys, I will, probably next time you see me now is another video of me uploading the zx10r front forks replacement of the seals. See you all soon guys, thanks for watching.